This is how I picture all of us opening a font box that potentially contains a golden ticket. And here's what actually happens. Hello, font fixationists. Welcome back. Stephanie here. I'm happy to see you. Today is Val's golden ticket winning day. Congratulations, Val. We are so happy for you and equally as jealous. Now, without waiting much longer, let's head on over to the stamping block, put our hair up, and get started on Grateful 3.5 millimeter. I cannot wait. Unfortunately, I do have to wait because FedEx did not get my box to me on time. So now we sit here twiddling our thumbs, cursing FedEx. It is very exciting. Again, you guys, I do feel very excited constantly. So that's probably why every single video, I should just do a montage of me saying very excited.